Welcome back to the channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
And what are we doing today?
So Gillette sent us this pretty box of Gillette Venus Breeze, and today we're going to review this for you, so let's get started.
So how about we start by showing them how the box looks like and what all came inside it. Box and the content look like, and you tell me what are your first impressions about this.
The first thing that I really liked about the packaging and about the razor in general is that it's purple in color and it smells incredibly nice. I mean, I'm someone who would always look out for good fragrance sort of things, and this has this very tropically sort of fragrance, and that is what I really like. Okay, so what else did you notice about the product?
So what I really liked about this product is that it comes with 3 blades, which is actually going to give you a very close shave, and it also has these amazing moisture gel bars. What do these do? You've used it, right?
Yes. So basically you don't need a shaving cream separately. All you have to do is wet this razor and then just glide it on. That's it. It's as simple. Especially when we're in a rush and we don't have time to use like a separate shaving gel and all of that. This is perfect for that.
Yeah, a lot of you guys actually had questions about what soap or a separate shaving cream which we use, and for all of those guys, I mean, this is really nice. This has everything in it.
The other great part about this razor is that it has like a flexible head, so it'll give you a very easy shave on the curb, especially like at the back of your knee, and you'll get through that area without any cuts.
And I think I really like the grip of this one, this rubber thing and this shape. It's very convenient to use. The whole shape of the razor is made as such that it can give you a very nice grip, and it actually reaches all the tough areas to shave.
And do you know that the moisture gel bars are actually made of body butter, which have like olive, avocado, kokum, and also has glycerin to give you a smooth and clean finish after your shave.
So why that is important is because right after we shave, we start feeling that our skin is becoming dry or it's losing its moisture and it's becoming rough. Well, we had already told you in our previous videos that you have to follow like a certain thing to maintain your skin, and you need to go through all of these steps. So this one razor actually has everything for you to cover all of these steps, and it's important for you to make sure that you moisturize your skin afterwards, and this actually has all of the amazing things like glycerin and olive and avocado, so this actually makes your skin very smooth.
So if you are that sort of a person who's always in a rush and hurry, especially if you go to college or office, I understand how it is. So this is something that will give you quick shave in like 5-10 minutes max, and you'll be done with everything before you move out of the house.
Also, I feel people who shave on an everyday basis, every morning they get up and do it like me. I have to do it every day when I take bath. So I tend to sometimes be very lazy and I don't want to go through all of these steps and first, take a separate shaving gel or then moisturize later and all of these things. I'm very lazy when it comes to all of that. So I think this is an amazing product for me and for all of those people who are like me.
If you're wondering how much this costs, if you buy the razor separately, it's going to cost you $2.99, and if you buy it with the razor box, which has like 3 blades in it, that would cost you about $4.99. Lastly, when you are carrying this around or you're traveling with this one, you'll have to be extra careful because of these gel bars. If you leave it wet, then it might just ruin everything around. So make sure it's completely dry when you pack it, and that's about it.
Okay, so this was a review about Gillette Venus Breeze, and it's an amazing product and we really recommend you guys to use it. Also, if you have any questions about the product, then just comment down below and we'll try to cover it in our next video about shaving. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things. Bye guys!
half of the video where I was like sniffing this.